Hi everyone and welcome to it. Today I got the MacBook Neo and I'm just over the top because this is my first MacBook, so let's unbox it together. Alright, here we unbox it. I'm so excited. That is my favorite. Oh yes. Okay, here we go. Oh, and look, there's the hello. I know everyone was talking about that. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see. Flip it. Cannot break this. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, set this to the side. All right, here. All right, here we got the cube. Oh, that's so fresh and shiny. And then we have the charger. Let's see, how do you... Oh, look at that. And actually it's pretty long too. Could always use those. All right, I'm so happy. All right, here we have it. It's literally, I got this silver because like a lot of my, just like my Apple stuff is silver and it's kind of a safe color to go with. All right, let's open it. Oh, oh, it's so different from my Windows. Oh, wow. It's very physical touch. United States. Wow, okay. I think I'm gonna set it up with my phone. Okay guys, I'm so excited about this Mac. I'm gonna quickly set it up and then I'll come back. Okay guys, it is the next day. I was able to set this up super easily with my phone. It got all my data transferred and my pictures, messages, and everything. I will be using all the features because since it is my first MacBook, I wanna test how everything works. And so I got the silver with the 512 gigabyte and the Touch ID because it just what I need for my needs right now. So I gotta say I'm really impressed with this. I'm very happy with my purchase. I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to help support me, and I'll see you in the next video.